Have you ever been scammed in affiliate marketing? A chilling question, isn't it? In an age where online business is booming, affiliate marketing has become a popular avenue for generating income. But like any gold rush, it's also ripe with scams. Pyramid schemes, get-rich-quick gimmicks, and unscrupulous vendors are just some of the many traps lurking in the digital landscape. Pyramid schemes ask you to recruit more marketers under you, turning the business model into a game of who can recruit the most. Get-rich-quick gimmicks, on the other hand, promise you massive profits with little to no effort. And then there are those vendors who simply vanish into thin air after making a sale, leaving you holding the bag. It's crucial to be aware of these scams, not only to protect your wallet, but also to maintain the integrity of your business. Now that you know what affiliate marketing scams are, let's dive into how you can spot them. Spotting a scam in affiliate marketing can save you time, money, and your reputation. Now let's talk about the red flags that may signal you're dealing with a scam. First off, be wary of unrealistic earnings promises. If a program is promising you'll make thousands overnight with little to no effort, take a step back. This is a common tactic used by scammers to hook you in. Next, watch out for upfront payment requirements. Legitimate affiliate programs rarely require you to pay to join. If you're being asked to shell out cash before you've even started, that's a potential warning sign. And finally, a lack of transparency about the product or service is another red flag. If you can't get clear information about what you're promoting, that's a problem. You should always know what you're marketing and to whom. Remember, affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, but like any industry, it has its share of scams. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Now that you can identify potential scams, how can you avoid them? The first step is doing your homework. Research is your best ally against scams. Look into the company's history, its reputation, and the experiences of other affiliates. Don't just join any affiliate program, be selective. Look for programs with a track record of honesty and transparency. Brands that are upfront about their terms and conditions are less likely to be a scam. Another great tip is to ask for referrals. Talk to other affiliates in your niche, learn from their experiences. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stay skeptical. Scammers are crafty, and they're always coming up with new ways to fool people. So, always verify the information before you act on it. By following these tips, you can protect yourself from falling victim to scams. Remember, in the world of affiliate marketing, knowledge is power. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture if navigated wisely. Today we've taken a deep dive into the dark side of this venture, exploring the scams that lurk in the shadows and the red flags that can guide us away from them. We've learned that if an offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. We've also learned to be wary of programs demanding upfront payments and those that lack transparency. We've shared tips on how to stay safe, emphasizing the importance of research, seeking out reputable affiliate programs, and maintaining ethical practices in all our dealings. Remember, knowledge is power, and with power comes the ability to navigate the often treacherous waters of affiliate marketing. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and stay safe in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your success is our goal.